Hello everyone, this is Shoaib from Allied Solutions, and today we are going to unbox and demonstrate BBG series explosion proof audible and visual alarm. This particular light is applicable for zone 1, zone 2, zone 21 and zone 22 areas. It is widely used in chemical, petroleum, military, textile and food processing industries. So this is the light. It's an explosion proof light, and with this light we will get the explosion proof certificates received from the manufacturer. As you can see, it is the explosion proof certificates, and the serial number of the particular product is also mentioned. Whereas we will also get the third-party certificates, but these certificates comes in Chinese language. It is explosion proof certificates. As you can see, it is mentioned BBG series is AC 220 volt and explosion proof certificates. So let's discuss some of its technical parameters. First, discuss light source parameters. It is a 10 watt rotary bright LED lights with number of flashes is 150 revolution per minute. Sound intensity is from 90 decibel to 180 decibel. The particular model of this BBG series is 222 volts. AC, it also comes in AC DC 24 volts, AC DC 36 volts. But this particular model is AC 22 volts, and it has 180 decibel of sounds with weight of 3.4 kg and all the explosion proof certificates. So this is the light. It's a quite heavy light. All the details are mentioned at the back of the light. The explosion proof mentioned also. So guys, let's go for demonstration purpose and let's find out how loud and how bright this Huta alarm is. So let's go for demonstration purpose. So guys, have you checked the sound intensity and the brightness of the LED light of this BBG series explosion proof audible and visual alarm? If you want this item in Karachi in Pakistan, we are dealing in, and we are providing a very best rates and very fast shipping of this light. So if you have any more queries or details, you can contact on the below mentioned address. Feel free to contact us. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.